in jungle is hard. Every day you go out for a battle to play a game of life, either find food or become others. This game of survival cannot be won without special skills, and these skills are adaptation. What is adaptation? Any attribute of an organism that enables it to survive and reproduce in its habitat. Adaptation can be of three types: psychological, morphological, and behavioral. Examples of psychological adaptation are kangaroo rat, seals, and human response during altitude sickness, which will be explained by my fellow mates. Examples of morphological adaptation are optunia and Allen's rule in Arctic fox, which will be explained by my fellow mates. What is behavioral adaptation? These are changes in behavior that certain organisms or species use to survive and reproduce in its environment. Note, behavioral adaptation are mostly learned, not inherited. Behavioral adaptation can be divided into two types: acyclic, under which courtship ritual and group behavior comes, and cyclic, under which circadian rhythm, hibernation, and migration comes. A special category called sudden response will be also discussed. First, we'll talk about acyclic behavioral adaptation. Courtship ritual, behavior that animals have before mating. For example, male penguins before mating gives a pebble to female penguins and they remain together throughout their life. Another example is male peacock displays its colorful wings and dances. Group behavior. When organisms live in a group cooperatively or society living for various benefits. For example, ant army. Penguins show a unique group behavior. During extremely cold conditions, they cuddle around each other to provide warmth to their children. Pack of wolves hunt together in a group. Now we come at cyclic behavioral adaptation. Circadian rhythm. Behavior that occurs periodically, usually after one day. For example, sleeping. Based on this, animals are of two types: diurnal, animals which remain active during day, like monkeys and humans, and nocturnal, animals which remain active during night, like leopard, black panthers, and bats. Monkeys, which are diurnal animals, and black panther, which is a nocturnal animal. Hibernation, the condition or period of an animal or plant spending the winter in dormant state. For example, polar bear hibernating and rattlesnake in hibernation. Migration. It is relatively long distance movement of individual or group of animal, usually on seasonal basis. For example, monarch butterflies and flamingos. Now we come at a special category of behavioral adaptation which is most common. This is called as sudden response. The behavioral action in response to sudden change in environment. For example, first, desert lizard absorb heat from sun when body temperature drops below comfort zone and move into shade when ambient temperature starts increasing. Second, some animals make burrow in soil to escape from ground heat. Third, humans rub their hand when they feel cold. Desert lizard in sun and mongoose living in a burrow to escape from ground heat.